Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're unboxing and showcasing the Edifier TWS6 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. This comes with Qualcomm aptX technology and Knowles balanced armature technology as well. We're going to show you all the details right here. You can pause this video at any time and take a look. Alright, now we'll go inside the box in just a second. Comes with 8 hours of playtime on each headphone and 24 hours of playtime with the case charging. It has a wireless charging feature for the case itself, so it's QI wireless charging enabled. It's very compact, comes with a lot of ear tips. This is a lot more compact than most earbuds. The case is a little larger to fit the wireless charging option in there. Bluetooth version 5.0, and it's IPX5 water resistant. So here's inside the box. They give you a series of ear gels. It's different sizes right here, so that's very nice. And they have the charging accessories and other information inside, but this is really what we're talking about right here, the TWS6. It's a nice satisfying opening sound, and this is how big they are, but they fit nicely in the ear, so they shouldn't fall out even while you're running. There you are. Pretty small, but we like the Edifier brand, and this is the TWS6 model with Qualcomm aptX technology.